Grocery lists so much easier with our smart shoppers help. Here's Daphne Monroe with the newest deals popping up in your neighborhood.
You can head to Bash's this week and save on your groceries.
Like this deal on pork loin. It's on sale for just $1.39 per pound at Bash's. You can also save on strawberries. 1 pound will cost you just $1.25 each, with a limit of 4 at Bash's. And if you need milk, both Bash's and Albertsons have a gallon of milk on sale for $1.99 each, and you can buy 2 for that price. Head to Pro's Ranch Market and buy 3 pounds of Roma tomatoes for just 99 cents. If you need some ground beef, you can save at Pro's Ranch Market. They have 73% ground beef sold in a value pack for just $1.69 per pound. Or how about getting 5 avocados for just 99 cents, all at Pro's Ranch Market. Fry's will have Progresso soups on sale for just $1 each. At Food City, you can buy 3 pounds of Red Delicious apples for just 99 cents, with a limit of 6 apples for that price. And score a great price on asparagus at Sprouts. You'll pay just 88 cents per pound. You can buy a box of Post Honey Bunches of Oats for just $1.99 at Safeway this week.
I'll have more Valley Grocery Store deals posted on our website. Just head to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.